This is a slightly different version of landing skids for the helicopter. So we've got the helicopter. If you haven't watched the video to make it, you need to go back and make it, because I'm not going to remake it in this video. It's already been done. And then what we're going to do is, instead of having a single 160 for the landing skids, I'm using two. And I've got two caramel 160s here, each with about 5 inches uninflated on the end. What we're going to do is you're going to start with one of them, twist off about a hand width bubble, make a small round bubble and make that a pinch twist. Then grab the other one, do the same thing, so that now on both of your 160s you've got about a hand width bubble and a pinch twist. Then you're going to make another hand width bubble slightly smaller than that first one that we made, and then I'm going to twist this bubble into the pinch twist on the other 160. So that now we have that. Now we're going to come up, and we're going to make about a little more than a hand width bubble out of one of the 160 here sticking up. Then we're going to take our helicopter and we're going to twist this point here on the 160 we just made into this bottom of the helicopter right below the cockpit. So we're going to poke that right through there, pull it down until it comes back down on the bottom. I'm going to twist that around to lock it in place. And then I need another bubble the same length of this long one coming down. And I'm going to twist that back into the pinch twist. There. So now you can see how our landing skids are beginning to develop on this one. A little different, a little fancier than the other. Now what we need, you've got your two 160s. The one that we just used is now much shorter than the other one. So take the longer of the two ones, and we're going to start with it this time. And if you'll look at your helicopter, you're going to come straight back below this pinch on the bottom, and you want a bubble about that long. So make a twist there, and then make a pinch twist. And then go to your other 160, and you're going to want a bubble the same size, and a pinch twist in it as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and on the back of this one, make about a 4-finger bubble, and remove this excess because we're done with that particular balloon. Tie that off and trim it. Now we're going to take, and with it setting up, you're going to want to take, this bubble is going to be a little longer than that one because you can see how my tail slopes up. So I'm going to make a bubble that's going to reach up to those two pinch twists in the back of our helicopter. Then I'm going to twist into the pinch twist. Come back down the other side. And then what I need is another bubble. Put it in there really good. The same length as this one. Then I'm going to come down and twist into the other 160 over here. Then I need a 4-finger bubble to cross back over to the first where we started. So we've made that shape on the bottom. And then on this last one again, another 4-finger bubble the same size as that. Let the air out of the end of it. Tie that off. Trim that up. And there, we have a little fancier. Turn those front ends up just a little bit. A little fancier and nicer landing skids there for your helicopter. Gives it a little bit of extra character.